Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making bollitos de yuca or stuffed cassava, and this is what we will need to make this delicious meal. 1 pound of yuca or cassava, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of butter, heavy cream or evaporated milk, half a pound cheese of your choice, sugar to taste, oil of your choice. I am going to be using this leftover yuca that I had on my fridge and it's already peeled. And the first thing that we need to do is to boil our cassava or yuca with some salt.
Okay.
And we will let it cook at medium-high heat until our yuca is a little tender. Make sure your yuca is not super tender. That way it won't fall apart later when it's frying. Once our yuca is pre-cooked, we need to mash it like a puree. Once we mash our yuca, it's time to add the butter. I added a very small amount of milk because we're looking for a consistency that is not too soft but not too dry either. That way we can prevent our bollitos from falling apart by the time they fry. Now let's add our salt and our sugar to taste. Now let's mix everything together very well. Let's taste our dough to check if we need more salt or sugar. The reason why we add sugar to our dough is to get that flavor contrast together with the salt. Once our dough is ready, I will let it cool at room temperature so we don't get burned. I let my bollitos rest for 30 minutes. It's time to form our bollitos. Let's cover our hands with enough oil so the dough won't get stick to our hands. We will create an oval shape or ellipse shape. You can also make a round shape, anything you like. This is the fun part where you can ask your kids to help you and have fun together. I will form an ellipse shape and fill it with my cheese like so. You could also change the cheese for ground meat such as pork, beef, turkey, or anything you like. Something that I forgot to mention is to remove the roots or veins from your dough. That way you won't find those sticks when you are eating your bollitos. Now I will let my bollitos to rest in the freezer for at least an hour. Once my bollitos has frozen, it's time to fry them. In a pan with a generous amount of oil. I used olive oil to make it a little bit healthier. Once the oil is very hot, let's put our bollitos in. If you're liking this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. It won't cost you anything and you will be helping my channel a lot. Thank you for your support. Now that I have this beautiful color, you will turn them around so they can fry well completely. They won't take too long to fry because they are already pre-cooked. It took me about 15 minutes to fry my bollitos at a medium heat temperature. Let's put them on napkins for a couple of minutes to eliminate the excess oil. Look at that beautiful golden color, very pleasant to the eyes, and the taste, delicious. Trust me, you will love these bollitos.
Very good.